Are you done hiccuping?
He's a noble little dude. True. You girls are short-sighted to overlook such outstanding sensibilities in this noble little dude. Stop.
There we go.
Let's go. I'm walking you out so that I know that you're safe. And if there is a door, I am opening it for you. Don't think you're so awesome, baby bear. We were leaving anyway. Yeah, let's go.
Well, I know these girls don't appreciate you, but one day there'll be a girl who will.
She doesn't keep me waiting too long.
Well, Bobby, women will always keep you waiting. Did you know it takes your mother 20 minutes to get ready in the morning?
Baby.
Alright, that's good. I think she wants changed or something now.
Why you hitting yourself, sucker? Juicy Johnson.
Alright, I'm gonna get her changed and
Okay.
turn it off.